In this video, we're going to be fixing it's not really much of a bug, but it's just an annoying crash that occurs when you do not have spawn points. Oops, one moment. There we go. For the zombies spawned into the world. So currently I have two of them, one here and one here. If I hit play, everything works as intended. They spawn. But if I delete both of them, like so, and try to play, as you can see, we get a crash. So I know roughly where this error is occurring, but I haven't actually tried to fix it, so we're going to do that together. So in our Nazi Zombie game mode, let's step through. So we have begin play here. We look through, we get all of our zombie spawn points. We add them to an array active zombie spawn points. And we have a timer here calls a function called spawn zombie, along with a calc that gets paused though right after. Then we have a calculate zombie count. So calculate zombie count, that function goes through. Let's look for something relating. Okay, so we unpause our timer that calls spawn zombie. So spawn zombie here, yada yada yada. Is it active zombie spawn points? Okay, so it's active zombie spawn points. So here's where we first access it. Random index is, okay, so it's here, at least I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick little check. So if active zombie spawn points dot num is greater than or equal to, well, actually, let's just do greater than, let's see. All right. So currently, if the array is empty, or even if, well, yeah, even if we just had one element, we would be going down by one. So we want to check if it's greater than, I would almost think two. I'm not entirely sure. I want to just check if it's one. So if our array is, actually, let's check if it's less than, or yeah, less than one. We're simply going to return because we don't want anything to happen. And give that a try. And if that doesn't work, I'm just going to bump this up to 2 and we should be good to go. My brain's just not fully functional right now. But I'm going to try to make 1 or 2 videos tonight. So let's wait for this to compile. Alrighty, let's give it a try. Good old 10-second freeze. Maybe even longer than that this time. Alrighty, so here's our spawn points for the zombies. Let's delete those. Hit play, see what happens. Alright, so no crash. Let's go ahead and re-add those spawn points back. Game, nope. Zombie, also nope. Search for spawn. Alright, so C++ classes, public, Nazi zombie, game. Here we go. Nazi zombie, zombie spawn point. We have one. And I'm going to spawn another one. Link barricade, don't have any. So press play and they should be good, I hope. Alrighty. Oh, there we go. I thought I broke it. Alright, so they're both good to go. They should still both be set up. Actually, do a quick little test with the barricade just to triple check. I'm going to set the linked barricade to the BP barricade, which should be this guy. Yeah. Alright, so no zombies should spawn, yada yada yada, by the door, and zombies start spawning. Alright, so that is good to go. So I'm gonna bring these just, oops, back outside. And leave it. Alright, so we now fixed an annoying little crash that only really would occur if we're using the Nazi zombie game mode without any zombie spawn points. So that's one more thing fixed. Not entirely sure what we'll be doing next, but it'll probably be another bug fix. Anyhow, I will see you in the next one.